friends, it's Sherry. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with a little package full of goodness to share with you. I received some goodies from my friend Maria, and she said she was sending me some things for my coffee journal, and I already finished it, but I can make another coffee journal, right? So no problems. But let's see what she sent me. She a lot of times will wrap her packages in her pretty wallpaper. She has lots of pretty wallpaper. So there is some tape on the other side, but I plan on cutting this wallpaper up and saving as much as I can. So I will be doing that later. So let's see what she sent me. Now here's another envelope inside of there. And I can't wait to see what is in here because Maria always sends some super fun goodies. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's a little note. Okay, yeah. I'll read it in detail later, but yeah, she says she sent me some stuff, basically, and where she found it and things like that. Oh, this was an iCad, okay, made by Maria in September of 2019. Isn't that cool? So it's got all of this texture on here. Very textural, very, very textural, but very cute and pretty. Look at all the stuff on here. She's got lace, butterfly, like a applique kind of, but feels kind of plastic. You hear that? The word sweet right there. And then she's got, you know, see the yarn or fibers going through here. There's one there, there's one there. Oh, that's got a pom-pom on it. And then she's got more stuff going through here, like little sequin trim. And more of the kind of like pom-pom yarn there. See the little pom-pom here? It's so cute. And then there's some really pretty, looks like tatting right there. See the white tatting? Yeah. That's really, I hardly ever see tatting, so whenever I see it, I'm like, oh my goodness, tatting. And then the rickrack, here's a ribbon here. This looks like rickrack, and then the more ribbon, and then some more ribbon up here. So isn't that cute? And she used it to write me a note on the back, so I'll be adding that to my own personal journal. My friend journal, I do have a friend journal and a personal journal. So, and aren't these cute? Oh, and they're coffee cups. They're 3D stickers with some little decorations behind. Some layering made from a 4x6 card, index card, corner rounded corners. And so that's a great little, a really pretty journaling card for a coffee journal. So that will be, I told Maria that I have all the stuff, like, you know, when you make a journal, you kind of gather things from your craft room, here, there, pull them out. I put them all together in a basket when I'm working on a journal. And then you don't always use them all. So I have those, you know, those big plastic envelopes from Dollar Tree. I had one left. I need to get some more, but I put all of the extra in there. So next time I want to make a coffee journal, I go grab that envelope, right? So I'll be adding these to that envelope. So here's another one with a cute little coffee cup on it. I looked through my stickers and I didn't have any like this, so these are really cute. If I see them, like sometimes Dollar Tree has stickers like this, so if I see them again, I will get myself some coffee stickers, but coffee related stickers, but these are really cute. Thank you, Maria, for sending these to me, and they're already ready to go, so that's awesome. And then here's another one. Isn't this pretty? It looks like a little china coffee cup there. And you've got the layering, and this is a nice piece of cards here, cardstock. It's kind of, you know, dimensional. So really nice journaling card. Oh, look at this. A journaling card that says coffee time is anytime. Of course it is. Nice journaling card there. Then, of course, any of these cards can be used for so many things. A tuck spot, a pocket, or a journaling card. Or even the cover of a little notebook. Oh, look at this, a whole little kind of planner here. Planner paper. Let's open this up. Let me see, I have my scissors here and see what we have. It's just, it looks like just probably all of that. I still want to just take one out. I want to open it up, and I always like to open things up and see what's what on the inside, you know. Now let's open it up and look at this more closely. I have my scrap box here in case we needed to do some spur of the moment crafting, but maybe not. We'll see. This might be for another day. But yeah, it's all these pieces of paper. Isn't that neat to put into a journal? So you can tear one off. They're paper. Not too thin either. These aren't too thin. Well, wait a minute. I think I got two here. Still, okay, it's just like regular paper, like copy paper. And then you can write in all of these spots, Monday, Tuesday, you know, all the way through Sunday. And you have the coffee related little graphics up here. So cute. And you could even cut this up really if you wanted to. I probably would not cut it up. I probably would fold it. Let's see what it looks like when you fold it. Just fold it a little bit, maybe on the lines in between the days. And see how it looks first of all. And then go from there. Well, this one's going to go in the middle of a day, but that's okay. You can get the size that you need to put into a pocket, and then the person, if you're giving this journal to someone else or selling it, the person would have little days to journal little notes in. Wouldn't that be cute? I think that's really cute. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Thank you, Maria. Those are awesome. I had not seen those before. So she sent me all these little goodies for a future now coffee journal. So I'll be putting those in the envelope and doing some crafting maybe with these later. I'll see what I can come up with. And this could be the cover of a notebook, I'm thinking. I might make a little notebook with this. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you all in my next video. So take care and happy crafting.